Have you ever noticed that ice cubes seem to melt faster in salt water than in regular water? It's a curious phenomenon indeed. Let's explore the reason behind this interesting occurrence. Picture this. You have a glass of water, and you drop in an ice cube. The ice cube starts to melt slowly, but surely. Why does this happen? Well, it's because the ice cube is colder than the liquid water around it, and heat from the water flows into the ice cube, causing it to melt. This is how it works in plain water. But what happens when you add salt to the water? Here's where the magic begins. Salt affects the freezing and melting points of the water. To understand this, imagine sprinkling magical glitter, salt, into the water. This magical glitter has special powers. In freshwater, the melting point of ice is at 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. This means that ice and water happily exist together at this temperature. However, when you add salt to water, the melting point lowers. That means the temperature at which the ice and water can coexist drops below 0 degrees Celsius. You might ask, why does this lower the melting point? Think of the salt as tiny obstacles in the water that make it harder for the water molecules to stick together and freeze. Because the water molecules can't easily form into a solid state, the melting point of ice decreases. It must absorb more heat to form ice again. That's why in colder regions, people spread salt on icy roads to melt the ice and prevent accidents. So when you put an ice cube in salt water, the heat from the salty water moves into the ice faster than in normal water, trying to achieve that lower melting point. The ice cube melts as it absorbs more heat to stay in its solid form. And there you have it. That's why ice cubes melt faster in salt water. It's like a race against imaginary little obstacles, where the salt creates a challenging path for the water to freeze again. Fascinating, isn't it? So next time you're sipping on a glass of salty lemonade at the beach, take a moment to ponder the clever dance between salt and ice.